Hi friends, thank you for coming back. This is Elaine Marie. Well, guess what we're going to be painting? Isn't that cool? Waterfall. Yes, you can do it. You can do it. It's not going to be that hard. Okay? So it's probably going to take 2 steps. So our first step, okay, right now we have light blue, white, orange, yellow, dark blue and white. Okay, this is going to be the sky area. This is going to be where the trees and the waterfall and the water on the bottom. Let's get started. How is everybody doing? I hope you're doing wonderful. Okay, got my brush already and here we go. Alright, we got some light blue. There you go. We're going to get that up there. We're going to dab some white with that. Oh, the sky's going to look so beautiful. Yes, it is. And I hope everyone is doing wonderful and having fun with your paintings. Oh, boy, I can't wait to do this video. Alright, let's get that. Here's your nice light blue right there. Okay. Now we're going to follow that through with some white right here. Yeah, let's bring some white right there. Bring that up. Okay, and let's bring that like this. Alright, we're going to dab some orange. Okay. Get that to smooth right up in there. And the white always comes that orange down. Look at that. That's really beautiful. Now let's dab off your brush. And let's tap in some yellow. Okay, we have some yellow on the bottom here. Now we're going to get all that blended. So beautiful. Okay. Now rinse our brush out. And dab it off. Okay, now we're going to come in with some white. Get some white right here on the bottom. I'm going to run it straight across because under that is going to be our dam and be making the waterfall. Okay, so let's rinse that. Wipe that off. Alright, let's come in, drag that right through very lightly, very lightly. We're going to come through with this. Very lovely. Okay, we're going to wipe that. I'm pretty excited about this. When that dries, I'm going to hit that again with some yellow. Okay, now on the bottom, let's get our darker blue. With some white, and that's going to be this area down here. I'm going to want some water through there. Okay. Okay, and I have my flat brush, which I'm running through right there. Oh, it's going to be so much fun. And it's so easy. And I always put beginners because you can be a beginner at any age. Doesn't matter. You can begin painting at 40, 50, 60, over 70. Whatever you want to do. The paintings are yours. And as we go along, and certain things, if you want to make it more what you prefer, then go right ahead. Okay, because it's your, remember that, it's your painting. I like that. And we're going to dab a little white lightly with the brush. Let me wipe that. Okay. I do have an old apron on. I like to use that when I paint. I love, not really nuts about cooking, but I love to paint. There you go. Now, same kind of brush. And this, believe it or not, is going to be the black, which I did not put out yet. I'm doing good. Got the camera right there on my left. There you go. There you go. And this area right here is going to be black. Okay? Alright. I want to do this black. Or maybe just a little tab of that white to help that along with that. And you're going to see why. We're going to be working off of that black for the dam. Alright. And the waterfall is going to be beautiful. Just like that. Isn't that cool? There you go. Just run that. And I hope all my videos are being very helpful. And main thing is to give you all that confidence. And again, make it your own. Okay, we got that through. There you go. Okay. Alright, so this is going to be your black in the middle, blue on the bottom, and your beautiful color of your sky. And you can make your sky at this point, you can make your sky any color that you want to make it. And as we make our rocks, if you have another way you want to do it, it's fine. Okay, there you go. I'll run that right through. Now on the second video, we're going to be coming in. We're going to be making some grass on the sides. We're going to get our beautiful dam in. Isn't that cool? And I'll show you how to do the waterfall. And when this dries, I'm going to come in with some more yellow, little orange, and that'll brighten all this right up. So we'll let that dry. Okay, great. Friends, please tune back in for step number 2. And I cannot wait to finish this. I am so excited. Okay, friends, please do come back to step number 2. This is Elaine Marie. Have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.